Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm a banking and a payment consultant. A question I've been getting recently, and we've given a lot of explanation, but somehow people don't just understand it. What's the difference between an authorized delegate and someone using an FBO account? Why, what is it that an agent can do and an authorized delegate can do that a person with taking sponsorship for an MTO cannot do? Well, the difference between the two is that an agent or an authorized delegate can actually touch funds. They've been authorized, and hence the word authorized delegate, and they've been delegated with the duty of touching funds. As a sponsor, if someone who has a license, a principal license holder who has a money transmitter licenses, or a money transfer operator, or a money service operator, as they call them in Hong Kong, and if they are using or having their license and they make you an agent, you can now touch the money. But if they just sponsor the program and they say, we will handle this program on your behalf, then you can't touch the money. Touching the money is a huge thing. If you have a physical network, touching the money helps. Having access to the flow of funds helps. If you have a very specific access to very specific payment networks, touching the money helps. Obviously, this money has to be accounted for and channeled through the PLH's account, bank account, and so forth. But basically, the core difference between the two is that think of it like you have a mini license to operate, and that is what an authorized delegate does. It also gives the PLH, the principal license holder, the right to audit you at all points in time. You have to have a compliance. You have to have an AML policy. You have to go do AML training. You have to have a system that will identify. You have to understand KYC. So all those things that are applicable to the principal license holder under their license are also applicable to you. Under a sponsorship program, they're not applicable to you. You're not responsible for licensing. You're not responsible for touching funds. You're not responsible for AML, KYC, compliance, transaction monitoring, or anything like that. You don't even have to take AML training for that matter, because you are not touching the funds. You're not authorized in any way, and they're not delegating anything to you. You simply have a technology and in most cases a marketing agreement with the PLH. So in this case, understanding how the agent relationship behaves vis-a-vis respect to a sponsor relationship, the main thing to understand is that you get to touch funds and you are obligated in the same manner as the PLH is to the regulator as you are to the PLH. I hope I was able to explain that difference. It is a crucial difference to understand. In some cases, it may be very important for your business aspect or for your business plan, etc., to be able to touch the funds directly. If that's the case, go seek an authorized delegate. Go become an agent of an existing license holder. If you don't want to do that and rather just operate under the sponsorship program, well, you can do that too. Anyways, if you have a question or a comment, there's a form in the description below. Fill it out. I'll be happy to answer. Till next time, have a good one.